PITA Land on Bloor Street. Bloor and Restuarant. PITA Land. I like coming to this location. Cool. Sure. I don't know. You point at what you got. Of course, you got lettuce, a little bit of tomato, a little bit. Everything's gonna be a little bit. No, a little, just like very few. Just a little bit. Why not? Cucumber, yes, I like my cucumbers. A little bit. Sorry? Sure, I like olives, yeah. Yes, is that better? I love, yeah, sure. Is that to, yeah, do you add that or? Sure, I like that. Thank you so much. What dressing do you have? Greek. Yes, please. Yeah, a little bit on the side, like, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Awesome. Look at that. Wait. Yeah. Okay, let's do a quick show and tell review back at here at PITA Land on Bloor and Shawarma. So this is the bowl. I was gonna get the plate, but it's bigger, and this is pretty big on its own too. So I hope to finish this. It looks very good. Let's dig in. Very moist, tender, so good. Take a bite. So good. We got salad.
This is a French.
Again, it's like fresh, of course. First time for me, like I've been to other places, I've never had it that they shaved it in front of me. It's already, maybe they did a bunch of orders and then had some left over type of thing. So it's nice to see that he actually shaved off the piece, like the chicken off the, I don't know what that thing is called. But so good. Try the potato. Right by the hot sauce too. Okay, let's take a little bit of hot sauce. Perfect. different. It's not crispy or anything, but it's just like a roasted potato, I guess. I wonder either roasted or deep fried. I'm not sure. But yeah, I like this location. There's many PITA Land locations here in Toronto. I wish I could buy them, but I like this one. So come to this location at Bloor and Shawarma and try their chicken shawarma in a bowl. So good. Give you another bite. Generous portion too. Take your bite. Yum.